Now that I got a perm, how should I style my hair? Curls that loosen with time. You can easily style with this. Hello, I'm Atomy's special curator Sunju Lee. There are a lot of people who are worried because they don't know how to style their hair. But if you leave it alone, you can't help but see your curls loosen. As you get older, your hair gets thin and flat. If you have various concerns about your hair, please pay attention today because I will give you a tip. If you have Atomy Curling Essence and Hair Essential Oil, you can style as you wish. You can get full, natural, wavy curls and also easily get volume. The first product I will introduce is Atomy Curling Essence. As the name suggests, it is a hair essence for curls designed for bouncy curls. Among the hair essence products in the market, why Atomy Curling Essence is special. I will introduce you 4 features now to show. The first is that you can get the benefit of hair essence and styling at the same time. To create a great style, you must maintain your hair condition. Atomy Curling Essence contains natural conditioning ingredients that protect hair with a coating film. And it also has rich, nourishing effects to keep your hair hydrated and soft. Especially due to the high adhesion of the silicone composite. Once you use it, you will definitely feel how differently it conditions your hair as compared to other hair essence products. You also need to see how long the curls last. Plant-derived holding ingredients keep the curls flexible and tight. It will keep your curls' shape and elasticity for a long time. The second special feature of Atomy Curling Essence is that it has a heat protection ingredient to reduce heat damage when you set your hair. It has an ingredient called Green L15. So there's a study that it reduces hair damage caused by heat by 27%. If you blow dry your hair often or are concerned about heat damage, please get help with this product. It does not only keep your curls tight, but also protects your hair, so you will use it often. But the texture is also very important, isn't it? If it makes your hair get heavy and hard, you won't use it as often. If you're worried about this, don't worry. The third special feature of Atomy Curling Essence is its texture. Since it is a moist gel cream type, even if you use it often or a lot, greasy due to using too much or less, it prevents your hair from becoming heavy. And since it is so refreshing, even if you use it every day, you can style your hair lightly and compared to other curling essence products, from hardening with flaking after use. It prevents your hair. Since it prevents flaking, you can enjoy the voluminous, natural, wavy curls for a longer time. And what makes all these possible is the power of this ingredient. The last special feature of Atomy Curling Essence is that it is a natural ingredient that nourishes damaged hair, helps prevent heat damage, and repairs hair damage. Starting with Green L15 is good for curls and baby hairs. Cariocar Braziliense fruit oil and contains a lot of vitamin C, potassium, and polyphenol. Can help repair damaged hair. Pomegranate extract. Finally, Puricare ingredients that protect your hair from dust. Based on these 5 key ingredients, it also nourishes your hair. Additionally, it's very refreshing. Floral, fruity musk scents from which you can feel the beauty of a breezy spring day. I'll make you feel good all day. In this cold, windy winter, for those who think your hair is as important as dry skin, I'll give you a tip. It is to use Atomy Hair Essential Oil every day. You will experience a bigger change than your efforts. Atomy Hair Essential Oil is a seed essential oil that combines 6 oils carefully selected by Atomy. So it does not only deliver nutrients to our hair, but also it has non-sticky texture. It does not only refresh your hair, but also you can get glossy hair. Let's take a closer look at the 6 special oils. Firstly, it is Argania spinosa kernel oil that is good for hydration. It prevents dryness and hydrates for a long time. And you can also get help with elasticity. The second one is avocado oil. You also eat this as food because it's nutritious, right? Since it is rich in vitamins and has good permeability, it nourishes damaged and dry hair to make it smooth. The third is meadow foam seed oil. Since it contains a lot of unsaturated fatty acids, it's very effective in nourishing. The fourth is Camellia kissy seed oil. Since it is said to help with skin and hair since the Joseon dynasty, people have been using it a lot. It has oleic acid and linolenic acid. It prevents hair from breaking. The fifth is Macadamia ternifolia seed oil. Since it contains a lot of palmitoleic acid, it helps with hydrating and protecting your hair. The last one is jojoba seed oil. Since it is rich in vitamins and minerals, when one's hair gets messy, it prevents it from getting tangled and makes your hair shiny. After I wash my hair and towel drying it, I always apply it to the damaged ends. If you apply essential oil while it's slightly wet, it's more effective. Please remember that. Especially for those who perm or dye their hair a lot, it will be very helpful if you use it continuously to protect your hair that is weakened from irritation. It has a refreshing texture and a pleasant floral musk scent. Apply it every day to boost your confidence. Those of you who have given up by saying, "I'm not good with my hands, I will just get a perm and take care of it at the hair salon." Now use Atomy Curling Essence and Hair Essential Oil to easily get special care at home. Remember that the healthier your hair is, the more curls you get, the more confident you will become. Please start now. That was Atomy's special curator, Sunju Lee.